Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Limpiador De Manchas Y Salpicaduras is probably one of the most essential items in any household, especially for those who deal with everyday spills and stubborn stains on various surfaces. This powerful cleaning solution is designed to tackle everything from coffee drips on your countertops to muddy footprints on your floors, ensuring that your living space remains pristine and welcoming with minimal effort. Its advanced formula works quickly to break down and lift away unsightly marks, restoring the original beauty of your furniture, carpets, and upholstery without causing any damage. Having a reliable stain and splatter cleaner on hand means you can address messes as soon as they happen, preventing them from setting in and becoming permanent eyesores, thus maintaining a cleaner and more hygienic environment for you and your family. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste, your ultimate multi-purpose cleaning solution. It tackles grease, grime, and stubborn stains with ease. From greasy stovetops to grimy ovens, this paste makes your kitchen surfaces shine like new. Experience a new level of clean. Revitalize your bathroom with this powerful cleaner. It effortlessly removes soap scum and water stains from tiles, glass, and showers. This versatile cleaner is perfect for a wide range of surfaces, including sinks and stainless steel. Achieve a streak-free finish every time. Say goodbye to multiple cleaning products. The Pink Stuff is your go-to solution for a spotless home, inside and out. Don't let tough stains win. This effective formula lifts away dirt and grime without damaging your surfaces. It's cleaning made simple. What we like. This paste is your go-to for tackling everyday messes. It's perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner that handles grease and grime with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. I was astonished at how effortlessly it tackled soap scum, water stains, and dirt buildup that had accumulated over time. The paste gets off rust, hard water spots, stains in the tile, scuff marks, cleans shoe soles and lots of other stuff. It's a great product and it's affordable. It lasts a long time as well, and I am a professional house cleaner. I use it every single day. Great scrubbing power, natural ingredients, nice light scent, and it takes off things I had given up on, things no other cleaner could remove. Number 4. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Cleaner 1400B. Join over 7 million households who trust us for their cleaning needs. We are America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning. Tired of stubborn messes? Our cleaner is scientifically proven to lift and remove over 100 common messes and stains, making cleaning stress-free. Experience the power of our triple action formula. It permanently removes stains and eliminates odors, leaving your surfaces looking and smelling like new. Clean more without interruption thanks to the large capacity clean water tank. You can tackle bigger cleaning jobs with ease. Removing stains is simple with our easy-to-use system. Just spray, scrub, and suction away the mess for a deep clean. Stop using paper towels that just spread the mess. Our cleaner gets deep into the surface to remove stains and odors effectively. Feel good about your purchase. Every unit sold helps Bissell Pet Foundation in its mission to save homeless pets. What we like. This portable cleaner is a lifesaver for quick cleanups. It's ideal for upholstery and car interiors. If you have pets or frequently deal with spills, this machine's powerful triple action formula will make your life easier. What people say. It works, which is the biggest thing for me. Plus, a couple of these stains, like the cat vomit one on the living room wool rug, had been there for months and nothing I tried would get it out. The machine is relatively light to carry around and is compact to stow away when finished. I also really love that it comes with an attachment to clean the hose by itself too. The machine was easy for me to use and easy to clean. Number 3. Bissell 78H63 Deep Clean Pro Carpet Shampoo. Introducing the Bissell 78H63 Deep Clean Pro, our most powerful formula yet. It's designed to tackle tough, ground-in dirt and stains, leaving your carpets looking like new. This advanced formula is proven to outperform all leading carpet cleaning solutions. It effectively removes even the most stubborn dirt and grime. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. This cleaner doesn't just mask odors, it eliminates them from the source, leaving your home smelling fresh. You can use it with confidence on all your carpets, area rugs, and upholstery. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your fabrics. Ideal for high-traffic areas, stubborn stains, and lingering odors. It provides a deep clean that restores the beauty of your home. When you choose Bissell, you're not just cleaning your home, you're helping save pets. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission. What we like. This concentrated shampoo is designed for the toughest carpet challenges. It's great for heavily soiled areas. If you're dealing with ground-in dirt and stubborn odors on your carpets and rugs, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for pet owners, effectively removing stains and odors from carpets and upholstery. The spray bottle design makes it easy to apply, and the formula works quickly to break down tough messes. I was impressed with how well it tackled dried on mud and grass stains on my dog's favorite blanket. Number 2. Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro 2458. Introducing the Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro. It's designed to tackle those stubborn pet stains and tough spots on carpets, stairs, and upholstery. With its 5-foot flex hose, cleaning those hard-to-reach areas like stairs and rugs becomes effortless. No spot is too difficult to clean. This model comes equipped with a specialized pet stain trapper tool. It's perfect for dealing with pet messes effectively. Enjoy the convenience of a long 22-foot power cord, giving you ample reach. Its powerful 5.7 amp motor ensures a deep clean. Despite its power, it's surprisingly lightweight at just 13.2 pounds, making it easy to carry and use wherever you need it. We stand behind our product with a 2-year limited warranty. You can clean with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. This spot cleaner is specifically engineered for pet owners. Its long hose is perfect for cleaning stairs and upholstery. If you have pets and need to tackle stubborn pet stains in tricky spots, this tool offers professional-level results. What people say. It is effective on cleaning stains and removing odors as well as just freshening things up. It is lightweight and easy to set up and operate. This machine definitely saved the day. I cleaned it thoroughly, let it air dry, and repeated the cleaning the next day, just for good measure. I was a bit concerned that the brush head might be too rough on the fabric. But there was no problem with fading and no damage at all. There is no stain or smell. I used the Deep Clean antibacterial solution that was included with purchase. With the SpotClean Pro, I've managed to erase every stain without breaking a sweat. I usually get to the mess within 24 hours, so I haven't tackled old stains, but this machine has yet to meet a stain it can't conquer in my home. Number 1. Bissell SpotClean ProHeat Portable Carpet Cleaner. Introducing the Bissell SpotClean ProHeat, a powerful portable cleaner designed to tackle tough spots and stains. It's your go-to solution for a cleaner home. Experience permanent stain removal with the power of OXY formula and strong suction. It effectively lifts even the most stubborn messes from your carpets. Our innovative heatwave technology helps maintain water temperature during cleaning. This ensures a deeper clean as it loosens and removes tough stains effectively. It comes with specialized tools engineered for specific spots and stains. Simply choose the tool that best fits your cleaning needs for optimal results. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to store and transport. You can take it from one stain to the next with ease. This cleaner includes various tools and a trial size formula to get you started. You'll have everything you need for immediate and effective stain removal. Feel good about your purchase, as every Bissell purchase helps save pets. We proudly support the Bissell Pet Foundation and their mission. What we like. This spot cleaner brings the power of heat to stain removal. Its compact design makes it easy to store and use. If you want a portable solution that uses heated cleaning and an oxy formula to permanently remove tough stains, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This product is very effective at removing stains and splatters. It works on a variety of surfaces, including carpet, upholstery, and clothing. The product is easy to use and does not require any special equipment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.